Howdy, y'all! How come it takes more than one squirrel to screw in a light bulb?
Because they're so darn stupid!
My people! But seriously, folks, I want to give a special thanks to my friend Sandy. Sandy, don't you see? The crowd loves these jokes. Am I right? Don't you see, Sandy? We're laughing with you, not at you. Do you understand now, Sandy? Huh? Do you?
I understand exactly what's going on, SpongeBob.
Great. I knew sooner or later you'd understand. What a great sport. Let's give a big hand to Sandy. But clap slow, because remember, she's a squirrel! Thank you. You've been a wonderful audience, and good night!
SpongeBob!
Thank you very much. You know, on my way over here, I ran into a squirrel. And I said, hey, why don't you go get a couple of your squirrel friends and we'll go change a light bulb? But seriously, folks, the only thing dumber than a squirrel is a sponge. I mean, we're so dumb, we don't even have a vertebrae. Look at me. I got no bones.
That's true.
Crabs? Oh, brother. They're so cheap, they can't even pay attention.
It's true. I am cheap.
Now let me tell you about those fish. Boy, are they smelly. Woo-hoo. How could a creature who spends so much time in the water smell so bad? I mean, really? Soap, but it's soap.